A solar storm heading towards Earth can knock out your mobile phone. Here is what needs to happen first. The sun has belched out a solar flare and the storm, thereby created, is hurtling down towards the Earth at an awesome speed. Naturally, the attention of the entire world is riveted on this solar phenomenon. The sun is very far, but the solar storm is not expected to diminish when it reaches Earth. In any case, it is traveling at a humongous speed. Spaceweather.com says, a solar flare can travel at a speed of up to 500 kilometers per second. The question that is on the mind is, will it have destructive power? Well, yes, it can knock out telecom and power infrastructure. In a tweet, Planetary Society said, the sun's power should never be underestimated. In March 1989, the entire Canadian province of Quebec suffered a 12-hour electrical power blackout caused by a solar storm. However, as far as individual gadgets are concerned, the question is whether the solar storm can make mobile phones stop working. Yes, that can happen too. However, greater threat is posed to GPS devices as the signal faces a large risk of being affected, because solar flare radiation can disrupt communications with GPS satellites. Mobile phones too can be affected, but the chances of that happening are rare. Madison.com, in an answer to a question from a reader, said, it is true that solar flares can disrupt communications, but they probably won't affect your cell phone. Solar flares produce a lot of radiation, including X-ray and UV radiation, that can potentially cut off radio signals. However, a cell phone tower would have to be in the same direction as the sun in order for your call to be affected. Also, in 1859 the largest solar storm occurred. History.com described it this way: the night the 1st of September, telegraph communications around the world began to fail. There were reports of sparks showering from telegraph machines, shocking operators and setting papers ablaze. All over the planet, colorful auroras illuminated the nighttime skies, glowing so brightly that birds began to chirp. Astrophysicist Scott McIntosh from the National Center for Atmospheric Research told Business Insider that the Earth's upper atmosphere is wickedly impacted by the sun's magnetic spewing. It's real even if you don't feel it every day, he said. You might not, your banking institution might, your power grid company almost certainly does, and your telephone company absolutely does. Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below to grow our community, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.